Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. Today we are going to try to export the information from Google Sheet to Excel using Dancing Numbers. To begin with, go to the website, that is online.dancingnumbers.com. If you are already signed in or if you are already connected to your QuickBooks Online, it will show you the name of the company at the top right corner, or you will have an option here to sign in, and then you can click on sign in with Intuit. Once you are signed in and connected with your QuickBooks account and you can see the name of the company, you can click on start to export the data. Now, depending on your internet speed or depending on your computer speed, it may take some time to move on to the next step. And here we go, sign in with Intuit, and it's signing in, trying to connect to Intuit's website or to the Intuit server. All right, once again, you click on start for the export. Next step, if you would like to export any of your list, you can select that accordingly, or you can click on transactions. Would like to export any of your transactions, for example, invoice, bills, expenses, checks, anything that you would like to export. In this example, we are going to try to export the invoices. So I'm going to click on invoice. Here, you can either export everything without filtering the data, or if you would like to filter the data, you can either type in the invoice number or you can click on customize date. Once again, in this example, I'm going to filter the data only for January 2005. Here, select 2005, January 31st, and click next. Once again, depending on how much information that you're trying to export, it may take some time to fetch that information or load that information from your QuickBooks account. Now, this is the preview, and this is how the information is going to be exported. Now we click next, and it will start fetching the information once again. See on the screen that this is the information that we have. The next step we have is to click on export. You get two options here. Either you can export, download into Excel, or you can click on Google Sheet. So I'm going to click on Google Sheet here. Now, Google would like me to authorize to access the account. I'm going to choose my account here, which is support@dancingnumbers.com. I click that. Then on the next page, it's going to ask to authorize Dancing Numbers for your Google account. Select both of the options here. I say continue. Google has authorized. Now Google wants me to select which sheet I would like to use. So I'm going to select new spreadsheet, and I'm going to call it invoice and save it. Now, QuickBooks information or your invoice information is now being transferred from QuickBooks to Google Sheets through Dancing Numbers. As you can see on the screen, your Google Sheet is ready with the data that you have exported from QuickBooks Online. Thank you.